Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Taiwo. I'm so excited to have you join me. This is your go-to space for all things fashion, beauty and style inspiration. Today we're talking about 5 wardrobe staples you absolutely need to elevate your style in 2025. These are versatile, timeless pieces that work for anyone who is looking to step into the new year with confidence. Without further ado, let's get into these staples. Staple 1. A classic tailored blazer. A tailored blazer is a must-have whether you're heading to a business meeting or dressing up for a casual dinner. A blazer instantly makes an outfit look more put together. One of my favorite ways to style it is by layering it over a crisp white tank top and pairing it with wide leg trousers. You can even wear it with jeans and heels for an elevated casual look. It's truly a wardrobe game changer. Next up, wide leg trousers. These are the epitome of effortless chic. They are comfortable yet stylish, and they flatter every body type. Style them with a fitted bodysuit to create balance, or pair them with a chunky sweater for those cooler days. Add heels or sneakers and you're good to go. Staple 3. Basics. Now let's talk about basics, your tank tops, t-shirts and bodysuits. These are the foundation of every outfit. A white tank top with denim or a black bodysuit tucked into white leg pants can create an effortlessly stylish look. The key is to have a variety of neutral shades that you can layer under blazers, denim jackets or cardigans. Basics may be simple, but they are far from boring. Staple 4. Two-piece outfits. Next, we have two-piece outfits, the perfect blend of style and convenience. Whether it's a matching blazer and pants or a comfy lounge set, two-piece outfits make getting dressed so easy. What's even better? You can mix and match the pieces with other items in your wardrobe. For example, style the pants with a basic t-shirt or the blazer with jeans. It's all about maximizing versatility. Last but definitely not least, we have denim, an absolute wardrobe essential that never goes out of style. From classic straight leg jeans to oversized denim jackets, denim pieces are endlessly versatile. In 2025, the denim on denim trend is making a strong comeback. Pair a denim shirt with matching jeans for a bold yet cohesive look. Whether you're going casual with sneakers or dressing it up with heels, denim works for every occasion and season. And there you have it, 5 wardrobe staples that will keep you looking chic and put together in 2025. From tailored blazers to versatile denim, these pieces are designed to make dressing up a breeze. Which of these staples do you already own? And which are you planning to add to your wardrobe? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications for more fashion inspiration. See you in the next one.